Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 4th of August 2020, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So as we head into a new week here, gold prices have broken out again to all-time highs. In fact, right now, gold is just $8 away from again testing the all-time highs, which reside currently around 1,985 US dollars per ounce. Our open positions right now on the precious metals are up over 350 points. We've continued to stack here, buying in on the dips on gold, on silver, on platinum, and also palladium as well. So we've really been able to capitalize on these pullbacks that we saw last week in order to reload. Last week we mentioned to you in detail that expect the potential for end of month profit taking at the end of the week in July, and also for profit taking around the FOMC statement. This created two opportunities. One, to be able to capitalize and bank profits near the high ahead of those major news items, and then also buying back on the dips. Now, many of you who have read the week ahead commodity report, we've got a lot of comments from you there on YouTube as well, which is fantastic, have actually been able to capitalize on that exact move that we discussed last week, which played out. So you banked near the highs, you reloaded near the lows, and that's worked out great here to just be able to stack a bunch of precious metal trades here as we transition into August, which is normally a very strong month again for gold, and we're getting ever so closer to breaking out and testing that very key zone for gold at 2,000 US dollars per ounce. Our expectation is we are going to test that level, break out from that zone, and this is where we could really see the precious metals pick up a lot of momentum over the course of this month. But we need to see a very clean break now above the recent all-time highs to get that pressure and momentum build. Last week that we saw on Friday that retail traders had started to build their sell shorts yet again on gold. So with the pullback that we saw around the FOMC statement, and also after the end of month profit taking, many retail traders perceived that as the top for gold. They started to sell short, and you know the story. The retail traders keep being on the wrong side of the trade. They all get squeezed out. So the problem that you've got with many retail traders at the moment is that they're taught within their technical analysis that gold right now is overbought. So they're selling an overbought condition, and many retail traders that are doing this think they have a contrarian view of the market, that most of the market is looking to go long, and they have a unique idea by selling short. When in actual fact, 70% of retail traders have the same idea and are all looking to try and catch the top here from gold. And what do we see? Hedge funds, money managers, they keep building their overall net long position in both gold, silver, platinum, palladium. As such, we keep breaking out to all-time highs. Silver had the best month on record over July. Gold, the best run since we've seen since 2016. We've also seen over a 15% gain on platinum. So we've seen incredible moves here. I mentioned it before, but if you're not making money right now on the metals, you absolutely should be. You can generate profits right now in a matter of days that normally would take you several weeks to accumulate on the precious metals. We're seeing 1,000-point moves quite easily within a week here on gold, on platinum, that would usually take several weeks to get that sort of same profit. So it's these market conditions right now which are incredibly lucrative, and we're still just over halfway through the year, and August is absolutely a month that you don't want to miss out on capitalizing on these big moves. Over this week, I'm seeing support right now for gold coming at 960. We've already established positions, in fact, lower than that on last Thursday's pullback that we saw. So we've been able to continue to stack and reload on positions on gold here. But if you are looking at opportunities this week, I would look at, again, those pullbacks back down towards the 960 zone as good opportunities to reload for another reattempt back towards the swing highs here. We've also got positions on silver, which are currently up over 100 points, which are moving very well indeed. And I'm looking for a breakout, certainly back above the swing highs over the month of August here for the metals. And therefore, we could be due the next significant run up here over this month of August, which is typically a very strong month for the precious metals. As I mentioned also in the week ahead commodity report, if you are getting chopped up, if you are a retail trader who's using 100% technical analysis and it's just not working for you, which is the majority of traders out there right now, from many of those that we speak to on a regular basis, are just not being able to navigate these markets because the technical analysis they're utilizing, outdated strategies, indicators that don't work. When a market goes parabolic, you're just getting chopped up all the time. So if you would like to learn a research-driven approach to the markets, you've still got 5 months of this year left to capitalize on these big moves that we're seeing on the metals. So if you would like to join a community of successful traders and learn a research-driven approach to the markets, there's definitely an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click on a link below today's report in order to make an application to become a member of the Gold and Silver Club.